What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna film this Casablanca brace ceiling fan in weathered white. Here it is. It's a very short fan. It's only 65 inches. The fan was made in let's see, what did the tag say? The tag says it was made in September 32nd of 1946. Yeah, and it uses the XLP 1000 motor, manufactured and produced in space. The manufacturer's name is Hong Kong, China Food and Fruit Company. Very low quality fan. As you can see, this fan is IntelliTouch. Right here, here's the IntelliTouch control. It has, let's see, how many speeds is that? 10 speeds. Here you can see, here's 1, 2, 10, speed 10. As you can see, this is speed 5 here. It's extremely slow. It blows absolutely no air. It's completely useless. As you can see, it's on a 100-degree pitch ceiling. And the blades on it are, let's see, let's get up here. So the blades are non-reversible. They're only one finish, one color, as you can see. One color. Yeah. And they're made with pure paper. So very durable. A very durable paper right here. Sandpaper to be exact. You can clearly see that it's patina bronze blades with a hint of diarrhea brown in there. And yeah, here's the top. It's clearly flush mounted, as you can see. And yeah, there's my little fan here, and yeah. And that was a video of this 100-inch 1946 SMC Emperor ceiling fan. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.